Hey, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing the offensive security intro on TryHackMe. It's under the pre-security path for the introduction to cybersecurity. I already went ahead, started the VM up, so it's not going to show to start the machine. It's just going to show split view. So it's already ready when we need to start running it. So to start this out, we are going to start with what is offensive security. So offensive security, think of it as the way I like to look at it is I grew up playing ice hockey. So the team that's on offense, the team that's doing the attacking, you're the person that's trying to get into the system. So to just follow along with what they're saying, to outsmart a hacker, you need to think like one. This is the core of offensive security. It involves breaking into computer systems, exploiting software bugs, and finding loopholes in applications to gain unauthorized access. The goal is to understand hacker tactics and enhance our system defenses. Beginning your learning journey. In this TryHackMe room, you will be guided through hacking your first website in a legal and safe environment. I sure hope so. The goal is to show you how an ethical hacker operates. But before we do that, let's review by answering the question below. Type your answer in the text box and click submit. Okay. Yeah. So, which of the following options better represents the process where you simulate a hacker's actions to find vulnerabilities in a system? I mean, the course is literally called Offensive Security, so, I mean, it's going to be offensive security, but obviously the team on the offense, you're going to be the person that's hacking into the system. So there we go. First question answered. Now moving on to the second one. Start machine. I'm just going to pull this up. So this is already good. So here at TryHackMe, we use virtual machines to create simulated environments that serve as practical complements to rooms. In this room, we have prepared a fake bank application called Fake Bank that you can safely hack. To start this machine, to click on the Start Machine button. Already did. Your screen should be split in half, showing this content on the left and the newly launched machine on the right. If you hide it later, you can always click on the Show Split View button at the top, which I showed that was up there. So, yep, here we go. So we got this pulled up. If you don't see the one shown, use the, okay. Stuck. No, we're all good. Your first hack. Let's go. We will use command line application called GoBuster to brute force Fake Bank's website to find hidden directories and pages. GoBuster will take a list of potential page or directory names and try accessing a website with each of them. If the page exists, it tells you. Open a terminal. Okay, so we are going to minimize this. Open a terminal. Use GoBuster to find hidden website pages. Most companies have an admin portal page, giving their staff access to basic admin controls for day-to-day operations. For a bank, an employee might need to transfer money from client accounts due to human error, negligence, or instances when these pages are not made private. So obviously, a hacker can get in. To begin, put this into the command line. There we go. And it's going to run it. And this is what we're going to get. This is going to come out. In the command above, the -u, which is right there, is used to state the website we're scanning. -w is to take a list of words to iterate through to hidden pages. You will see the GoBuster scans the website with each word in the list. Right here. So, basically this is your page and directory. So a way to look at this is whenever you go into a website, you click a button, it's then taking you to that page, that directory of that page. So if this is the website and we were to click on it and type in, what is it? Dash bank trans. I'm pretty sure this is what it's going to have us do. I haven't done this for a long time. That's basically what it's saying. You're going into the bank transfer of this website. Literally looking, I'm not even looking down past the thing. So let's go pull this back up. We're going to go here and we're going to do bank transfer. Okay, now we're into the admin portal. You should have found a secret transfer page that allows you to transfer money between bank accounts. Yep. Okay. From this page, an attacker has authorized access and can steal money from any bank account. As an ethical hacker, you would, with permission, find vulnerabilities in the application and report them to the bank to fix them before a hacker exploits them. Your mission is to transfer $2,000 from the bank account of 2276 to your account number 8881. If your transfer was successful, you should now be able to see your new balance reflected on your account page. Go there now and confirm you got the money. Okay, so we're sending it from 2276 over to 881, and we're gonna send $2,000. Turn to your account. Boom. $2,000 richer. Let's go. Above your bank account, there should indicate the answer to this question. Above. Oh. Okay. That is that. All right. On to the next one. How can I start learning? People often wonder how others become hackers or defenders, and the simple answer to break it down, there's different aspects of cybersecurity. I'll kind of just say this. So there are different teams. There is red teaming, there's blue teaming, there's even purple teaming. This is going to cover more the red team side of things. The offense is going to be red team. The blue team is going to be defense. Purple is kind of a mix of it in between. So just to kind of talk right here, the careers that we can look at on the red team side. You have a penetration tester, someone who is doing the actual vulnerability, like scanning and going in, penetrating these systems, finding the vulnerabilities to exploit. Then you have the red teamer who plays the role of an adversary, attacking an organization, providing feedback with enemy's perspective. And then security engineer, design, monitor, maintain security controls, networks, and systems to help prevent cyber attacks. So I'm just going to go ahead and complete this. So basically, the whole goal of red teaming is to not do illegal things, but to find vulnerabilities in a system, and this way a company can better secure their environment. Red teaming is kind of where I want to go. I think that's the way that I have a little bit more interest in. But yeah, that is the first start of our TryHackMe labs. Our next one we're going to do is defensive security intro. So we will start looking at the blue team side of things. So I hope to catch you guys in the next one. Thank you for watching, subscribe, and hope to see you in the next video. See ya.